Hello, John O'Connor, building principal at Tecumseh Harrison. We are very excited to welcome our newest kindergarten class to Tecumseh. Tuesday, May 11th from 4 to 6 is going to be an open house. You do not have to be here the entire time. You'll simply come in. You'll need to bring only your child's birth certificate. You can bring your child, or we encourage you to bring your child, as that one of our goals is just to give them an opportunity to see the building that they're going to be in. We will come in door 8, and we're back around the Eberwine Day Street area. You'll enter door 8. We will get a copy of the birth certificate for you, and then we will also have a photo opportunity for you to take a picture of your child, and then you will actually then head over from the inside of the building to the kindergarten area. And then when we leave, you'll actually be coming out either this door or there's a door on the opposite side. So when it comes to parking, obviously there's a lot of parking around here. We do also have a parking lot over here where our buses go. Either one of those locations is fine to park at. You will enter door 8, and again, you will exit out of this side of the building. So again, we're just excited really to get an opportunity to bring them into the building so they can see where they're going to be. I know the kids are excited to see their future classrooms, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, May 11th from 4 to 6.